Yo, it's looking like it might be a slow day today. I've already done my lap around town and we're about 25 minutes in now. Still nothing. Okay, finally got the first order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 2 miles, 1 item. Next up is an IHOP. This is $12 going like 8 miles. Not amazing, but just trying to keep busy today. Almost at the restaurant now, and they just gave me an add-on order. This is an additional $10 going 5 extra miles. They're probably not ready, so I'm just gonna be waiting anyways. Why not? All right, just parked, so there's the timer. Let's see how long this takes.
I got the straw and everything in the bag.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
I was not expecting them to be ready. All right, 1 down, 1 to go. Meet at door. Why?
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
Have a good one. I think those 2 orders took about just under 30 minutes, so pretty good. Next up is a 7-Eleven. This is $6 going half a mile. Thank you. Yeah, I don't think I would have kept this order if I looked at it. I didn't realize it was a pizza, which I should have known was not going to be ready by the time I got here, considering I was like in walking distance that way. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 4 miles. Okay, never mind on that one. I just got a better order. This is a Starbucks, $12 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 2 miles, 2 items. Don't think they have this. It's like a case of the big bottles.
So if we had it, it would be
It
here.
would be here? Yeah.
Considering that's where all the other ones
Yeah.
are. So I assume that we just either don't have it or it's out of stock.
Gotcha. Ugh, they want singles. Now I need a carts. Luckily, I was just here, so I actually know where this one's going. I got kind of lost on the previous one, not gonna lie. Got the next one pretty much right away. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 4 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello,
Hi,
free
Megan.
Megan. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. By some miracle, I'm actually ahead of pace by like $4 or $5. But all I'm getting is trash now, so that's gonna go away in a second. It's been like 25 minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $10 going 4.5 miles. Only one item. Next up is El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This is $11 going 8 miles. Thank you. Oh. Oh, there was no tip on that one. That was $11 in base pay. I guess that's my cue to call it. Current time is 9:46. Total ended up with like 87, 88. So we started off the day like 30 minutes down. Then at one point we were up like 10 minutes. And we're ending the day off a little under pace, maybe like 15 minutes. This is probably going to be another shorter video, so enjoy some more kitty clips. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.